Liverpool see Rodrygo as ideal replacement for Salah. Liverpool remain interested in Real Madrid striker Rodrygo goes. The Reds made an attempt on the Brazil international towards the end of last season. And Ocdirio's chief commentator Eduardo Inde claims Liverpool are still keeping tabs on the real forward. He told El Chiringuito, "There is a Northern European team obsessed with a Real Madrid player to replace the loss of an aging player who is Egyptian and who will leave the team. I'm talking about Salah's departure. The replacement is a sensational player, who is a star every time he plays and who is often undervalued. I'm talking about Rodrygo goes. Rodrygo's deal with Real runs until 2029 and has a €1 billion release clause." If you liked the video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications and don't miss the next videos.